Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this air fryer from the manufacturer to do a review. It's model LQ4201B. It's a 4.5 quart air fryer. So let's open up the box, look at its features, put it to use, see how it works. Okay, let's open it up. Has a user manual and a warranty card. Okay, here's the air fryer, ventilation port, AC electrical plug, got the drawer and the handle to the air fryer. It has an orientation arrow inside. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's pointing in this direction. And on the back side you see an arrow as well. So basically you hold the handle and you insert it by pressing forward. In the owner's manual it has the various components identified. The control panel is at the top of your unit. Right here, we'll plug that in and light that up in just a second. Then here's the drawer handle and the food pot itself. And then you can set the temp setting, the timer, plus or minus, a preset menu switch, and then you have 6 different preset modes with pictures to indicate what type of food that you're cooking, time setting, LED display, and then start pause button. Okay, here's the grill inside. You have the 2 little grip holes here. You just hold it and pull it, and then you can take the grill out to clean. You do have these rubber feet that's slid over. It comes with 4 extra ones here to help secure it in place and to keep from scratching the coating on the inside. And then you can clean this pot after each use with warm soap and water. So for first time use, the manufacturer recommends that you give these a cleaning. So we'll do that and then come back. Okay, let's plug it in. And you can see that it's not powering up. And that's for safety reasons. You want to install the pan, and then the display will light up for you to have your settings. Power on. This is a temp, up and down, a default. These are pictograms of various food items that are presets. Power on and off, and then here's your timer and your LED display. Back says to preheat for 5 minutes beforehand, so it says to preheat at 400 degrees. So I'll increase it to 400 degrees, set the timer for 5 minutes, and then hit the start button. You can hear the fan start up inside. Okay, it's displaying end here. So I'll just pull out the pot, make sure that sets on a hot surface, approved. Let's pour in a bag of fries. And you have a fill 2 line there. I'm gonna throw in a couple chicken wings on top. Should be able to cook these at the same time without cooking them separately, and then one food item getting cold while the other one cooks. So we'll just spread these out even across the top, like so. Place in. We'll do the preset with the chicken for 20 minutes. Okay, it's down to the last minute in completing the 20-minute cooking process. We'll look at it, and if we need to cook them a little bit longer, we can, since we have 2 different food products in there, the fries and the frozen chicken wings. Okay, it's end, so we'll give it a look. They look good. Okay, you can see after 20 minutes they came out looking good and done and crisp. So this is very easy to use, and I highly recommend this 4.5 quart air fryer.